If you're looking for a large home with 2 master bdrms, 1 on entry and 1 downstairs, an open floor plan, 2 covered decks, and room to breathe, then this is the place for you. The covered decks would make outdoor entertaining or living very easy. Also included is a new tankless water heater, new water softener, reverse osmosis filtration system in the kitchen, new range hood and new fans on both covered decks. 2 electrical panels were recently upgraded with several new breakers, and electrical is available in the lower yard. And if you need storage, there is an abundance of it with this home. Come see for yourself.